Okay, I'm reviewing chapter 1 of AMP1, and you can see I drew a whole bunch of stuff on the board. So starting with the very first section of the chapter, anatomy is a scientific discipline that investigates the body's structure. And surface anatomy studies the external form and its relation to deeper structures. There are 6 levels of organization of the human body. The first one is chemical, such as calcium. Definition is interactions between atoms, which are building blocks. The second is cell, such as muscle cell. Definition is basic structural function units for plants and animals. The third is tissue, such as connective tissue, and definition is composed of a group of similar cells and materials surrounding them. Can't even read my own handwriting. Then the fourth is the organ, such as a heart. Definition is composed of 2 or more tissue types that perform 1 or more common functions. The fifth is organ systems, such as the circulatory system. Definition is group of organs that together perform a common function. And the final one is the 6th, organism, human, living thing that's considered as a whole. Then moving down here, here are the types of anatomical imaging. There are x-rays, ultrasounds, computer tomography, such as a CT scan, CAT scan. Then you have dynamic spatial reconstruction, and that is a DSR. Then you have digital subtraction, angiography, and that is DSA. Then you have magnetic resonance imaging, it's an MRI, positron emission tomography, and that's a PET scan, PET. Then you have the 6 characteristics of life are 1, organization, 2, metabolism, 3, responsiveness, 4, growth, 5, development, and 6, reproduction. Then you have the definition of homeostasis is the existence and maintenance of a relatively constant environment within the body. And this is just going to have to serve as a human form because I did not take time to draw that. So move back here a little bit. This is from the anterior view. So pointing up, you have the superior is called superior or cephalic, and pointing down or further away from the head is inferior or caudal. This is a midline right here, and if it's pointing toward the midline, it's proximal or medial. If it's going away from the midline, it's distal or lateral. Then, let me think, was there anything else in that? No, I don't think so. Then over here, here's the side view. Actually did draw a person here. So then you have the anterior is to the front, posterior to the back. Other words are ventral and dorsal. Then you have the proximal and distal as well. It's the same. Prone is facing downward and supine is facing up. So that is that part of chapter 1. No, definitely not.